How to install N8N on Ubuntu. In this video, I'll walk you through how to install N8N on Ubuntu, one of the most popular Linux distributions.
So to get started, first make sure your system is updated. This helps avoid errors during installation. Open your terminal, which looks just like this, and run the system update commands. After that, install Node.js directly and npm since they're needed to run N8N. You can either install them from Ubuntu's package manager from here, or you can also use the Node source for the latest versions. Once Node.js and npm are ready, install N8N globally using a simple command in your terminal. This will allow you to run N8N from anywhere on your system. After installing, you can start N8N and open the dashboard through browser using your server's IP address or localhost if you're on a local machine. To keep N8N running even when you close the terminal, use a process manager like PM2. You might also want to configure a firewall rule to allow traffic to the port N8N uses. For a more professional setup, you can add a domain name and secure it using HTTPS with Let's Encrypt. Running N8N on Ubuntu gives you full control, performance, and freedom to customize your setup however you like. And that's how you install N8N on Ubuntu.